What's good, y'all? It's y'all boy DC in the building. Y'all know the vibe. It's Tuesday, May 5th. Let's get this bag, man. Yesterday we ain't have no setup, but today hopefully we get something. Let's see what we got on for today, son. Let's see what we got on for today. Let's see. Where's that thing at? Here. So today we had news at 10 a.m. This is May 5th. News at 10 a.m. There was no setup at 9 a.m. That's why I ain't really even open the live. Um, this is the only setup that I seen. It hasn't won yet. Not to what I know. 103 points. Oh yeah, it did. It hit a 101. That's cool. It's pretty dope. Now we're trying to see if price is gonna come back and test this level of support right here and possibly give us an entry. There's no demand zone because it didn't break this candle high, so we still here. There's no hold on, let me sign in. I haven't taken a trade. Last trade we took was on Thursday last week. On Tuesday last week, I'm sorry. Tuesday last week, that was the last trading day that we had. Not the last trading day, the last day that we took a trade. But let's see what we catch on today, man. The account is down right now. It's down to 48. No. Where is that at? The account is at $49,059. We're trying to bring this back up to break even and run it up from there. Come on. We got this. Ain't nothing stopping us, bro. Ain't nothing stopping us, bro. For real. We can most definitely run this up. We just need to get a good. I seen this setup on crude oil, but it didn't have no confluence, bro. It hit the 101 right here. It hit the 101 first. Watch. It hit a 101 first, and then it reversed to hit stop loss or break even, and then it ran. Taking that into note. Feel me? And then it went all the way down here. But I just saw it. I ain't take it because it didn't have any confluence. It didn't have no resistance. It didn't have no supply zone. It didn't nothing. If it would have came here, we would have been in it. But nothing to see there. Nothing to. I think it's over for the rest of the day. There's nothing. That thing is not coming back. For what? If it is, it's gonna be a counter trend. We don't take counter trends though. I don't like taking counter trends like that. But it's all good. Let's see what we get on today. Damn, this thing is falling from the sky. Man. I want to listen to some bachata today. I just don't want my live stream to be copyrighted. Se pone su panty con la ley. Se pone su panty con la ley. Se pone su panty. This is why sometimes I don't even be wanting to hop on stream because I don't want to just sit here waiting for a setup. I sit here, but I sit here. You feel me? I move around. Um, but sitting here is just waiting for a setup. It be trash sometimes. Can't lie. This brick of the candle right here was so nice. That thing was clean. Bitcoin is at 81, bro. Bitcoin is at 81. That's tough. That's really tough. I did not expect that. It really broke the 80K mark. I did not expect that at all. It held right here the 60,000s for a couple weeks. But I did not expect that. I mean, shoot. Shit. Why is price moving like that? Why is price moving like that? What the hell? It's kind of look crazy. 14 points, 10 points. Damn. Price barely topped the demand zone, the 5 minute demand zone. It topped the 15 and it held it. Um, the thing is, bro, why did it make this big red candle like that? Like so aggressive. This is the type of setup that will have the first candle break be a loser, and then the second candle break will be a winner. But we just have to see. Let's see what Price wants to do. Why am I yawning so much, bro? Se pone su pantico la ley. Se pone su pantico la ley. Es una bellaca en el cuerpo se le ve. Can we continue this upside move, bro? Damn, bro. This candle getting huge. This might hit take profit in one candle. It just might. Who knows? It just might hit take profit in one candle. I don't think it's gonna come back here. It can. Don't get me wrong.
Order filled.
There's another setup right here that happened at the same time. This one right here happened at the same time as gold. Same exact time. Come on, GOAT. Let's get this win, bruh. Come on, let's get this win, bruh. Let's get this win. We need this win. We need this win. We need this win, bro. Come on. Come on, GOAT. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it going. Come on, let's go. You're right there. You're right there. Come on, let's go, GOAT. Let's go. Oh, nah. Hell nah. Oh, it's over. Alright, y'all. The account did liquidate me on this pullback right here. Right there. I got a late entry. I got like a little bit up here. I got in like in this red candle right here. I did put in the right size, but I got liquidated a little bit too soon. This account is officially over, and it's just the thought of like trying to bring it back to break even, risking only $100 just to be down, be up, be able to risk 300. I mean, shoot. This count is officially over. And it's all to those two mistakes that I made these 2 days. This is a winner. This is a over leveraged trade, which I clicked the button twice by mistake. Um I own it. This I clicked sell. I clicked buy on a day that I was supposed to click sell. When I noticed, I closed it, but if I would have took the full loss, it would have been over this day, honestly. This was a great trade. It's just the account got liquidated before it even reached stop loss. I should have risked a little bit less so I could see this play out. Like risked 200. I risked 500. So when it pulled back, it was over. This was a great trade. I don't regret not like taking this trade. I mean, shoot, y'all can see, it was a great trade. It was just I got liquidated too fast. Um, I am going to be buying another account today, so we could trade tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. So I'll be buying a new account, and we're gonna run it up with that one. This one I made too many mistakes. I was learning how to manage my risk and things like that. Um, all my mistakes I am gonna write it down and I'm gonna study them. But for now, all I have to do is just focus up, keep trading, keep doing what I'm doing, fix up the mistakes, be fully aware, and run it up, bro. Run it up. If this was my live account, I wouldn't have done what I did Monday and Tuesday. I don't know why I took a late entry. Well, I do know it's because I was trying to figure out if I was gonna risk the whole entire 200 or just 100 to let this play out and not be liquidated in one trade. But then I'm like, bro, why am I gonna just risk $100 just to make $100, $200? It's just, and then the goal is 3,000. Just thinking about that, it made me risk the actual 500 and get liquidated on this pullback, and I got a late entry. So thinking about that made me risk over than what I had. That was it. Like literally, that was it. I did not want to just go for $100. That wouldn't make sense to me. But man, man. So I risk. I wanted at least to make 200. You feel me? So yeah, let's see this trade play out. I'm not in this one. I only took gold. This was a good trade as well. It hold the level of resistance, and then we got to break down to the downside. Um, it's still a great trade. I took gold. I prefer to take gold. It hit a 15-minute demand zone, and is in a crazy uptrend. Just like this one is in a aggressive downtrend. Um, and it held the level of resistance right here. It didn't close above this level of resistance. This is where price was having major rejections, like most of the rejections, and it was a previous support. it was a rejection right here, rejection right here, rejection right here, and then rejected again aggressively. So I'm like, yeah, this is a good setup. It's just like gold bounce from this level of support, from this demand zone, 15 minute 15-minute demand zone, almost came into the 15, I mean into the 5 minute. And yeah, it it's been buying this whole time, making higher lows and higher highs on the 5. Like I said, this is still a great trade. Is most likely gonna hit TP from what I've studied and from the history. Is most likely going to hit TP, but I don't have a new account yet. Um, Mistakes here in trading cost money, bro. It costs money, bro. This is what happened in the account, right? So here at the beginning of the month, previous month, we were straight green, no losses, but that was when I was not risking properly per setup. I was scared to lose. As y'all can see, I don't really be trading prop firms. That's the thing. I trade my live account, and some emergency had happened, so I had to withdraw the money. But that's besides the point. I bought this account on March 10th. I started trading on March 18th, right? Took my first win on no, I started trading it the next day, not the same day. Uh, we got the first win, which it was 540. Then the second setup on a Wednesday, it was really good setup. I just risked less because I'm like, I don't want to go back to not. I don't want to go back. I don't know. I was just thinking like I don't want to go take a loss and be back $200. I don't know. It was just I don't know. And then took my first loss, but then we made it back and more. But I don't know why I was risking extremely less than the first trade. Whatever. So that whole month we got up to 500, 50,800, right? So our stop loss had moved up because it's a trailing stop loss. So then loss took it back, whatever. Now, then that was this month. That dip right there was this month. I was taking wins, but it was smaller wins. Like here, this is a bigger loss than a winner. This trade I should have risked 500, not 300. And then these two setups, it was just losers. I was like, why am I losing? Because these were great setups. These were amazing setups. And then Monday, I'm like, there's no way I'm going to lose, and I lost again. That was a fast loss. But then on Tuesday, this month, I was undefeated on Tuesdays until I made this mistake. Made it back. We were still break even on the account. Then we were up. We were still up. We were still up. Then I made this mistake. We were down. Um, we were by break even. We were near break even on this loss, and then this loss was just like this was supposed to be a win, and this was supposed to be a loss, and then today is when the account was officially over because these 2 days there was nothing on the charts. Everything will be documented here, bro, so I can come back and look at this. So I can come back and not look at this account, but look at my videos and understand why I did what I did. Um, why happened? How did I lose the account? Cause when it's my live account, I already know. Like I don't do these type of mistakes. It just doesn't make sense. Cause I keep a consistent risk. But when it's like a trading a prop firm, it makes it difficult to focus on just that account when you have a goal to hit and then to get another goal to get a payout, right? Um, yeah, but that's no excuse, bro. That's no excuse at all. We can't make no excuse. If we win, we win. That's it. We only focused on winning. We only focused on winning. We added crude oil. We haven't taken a trade on crude oil. But this next account, we are going to run it up, bro. We are going to run it up. Um, this is my first actual. We lasted. Well, how many? How long was it that we lasted with this account? Since March 10 to April to May 5th. So almost 2 months. Yeah, almost 2 months. Almost 2 months. May 5th would have been 2 months. But yeah, bro. Which I'm gonna just buy another account and let's try to run it up. If it doesn't work, bro, that's gonna be rough. But it's not gonna happen because you feel me? We only focused on winning, regardless of the fact of what happened. The previous account. It don't matter. We still gonna get this payout, regardless of the fact. Um, yeah, we're gonna get another account, bro. We're going to get this payout. Um, trust me. We're going to get this payout, and I'm going to do it on YouTube Live, bro. Yeah, we are, bro. But yeah, we're gonna be buying another Lucid account, and yeah, just focus. Come back tomorrow. Focus up on winning. Simple as that. Nothing more, nothing less. Come on, go. It's looking like crude oil is mostly it's a higher possibility that oil is going to hit take profit faster than gold. That's what it looks like. Cause by the time gold bounces to even over here, crude is about to be at 101. I still believe in this setup. I still believe in this setup. I still believe in this setup. This consolidation is wild. Damn. Bro, come on. I'm not trying to sit here all day. Right back to break even. Crazy. Alright, bro. I'm gone, bro. I got things to do. Like, come on, G. What is you doing? Are you gonna hit TP or not? But I'm about to get off this. I'm not about to just sit here and sit in this consolidation like if it wasn't I was in the trade. I'm already liquidated from the setup. So hey, we're just gonna come back tomorrow, same time, same everything. Don't matter. 9 to 12, catch me Monday to Thursday. We gonna be running it up. This don't stop. This doesn't stop until we get it right. That's it. That's simple as it is. Peace, love, and abundance to all of y'all. Whoever is watching, if nobody's watching, either way, peace, love, and abundance to you. And I appreciate y'all. Any advice, anything, send it my way. Peace. DC, I'm out. DC, out of the building. I'm out of here.